got some tires. Massive Facebook deal. Found them all for 200. We're about to do them manually. You ever seen someone manually change a tire? Me either. So we're about to try them together. Let's get it. So we strap these straps around the tire to the floor jack. Make the lip of the floor jack just miss the lip of the rim. And then you keep pumping them until the thing busts. Yes, sir. So right there, we get the tire pry bars. I've always had them, but I went try them one time and I ruined my cousin's tire. So here we go, cuz. Let's get it. So the back side of the rim, a little bit more easy than the front side, because this is the smaller side of the lip. I need soap. I need shot. Talk nice to me, Chief. You understand? Safety goggles. 1 speed. Fast. Slippery, guys. Boom, come we'll find out the rims is 16 and the tire is 17. Chat, is my dad cook? Come on, baby! Boom! I truly hate this part. Cause I thought auto throttle. Hey, let him hurry up. Now we checking for leaks, and it looks like we good to go, baby. One of the valve stems and crack. But luckily I got a big spare. Saved me a lot of money paying somebody for doing. They're like, oh, you like mount, you like balance. No, I don't like balance. Put them on top. The thing balance, the truck's gonna fall out to the side. No, so the thing gonna vibrate when you drive fast, and then drive slow. Somebody find out, cuz. Till next time, cousins. Shoot!